a dopamine rush, got a major league crush when you're next to me. Got my heart upon my sleeve, can I hide the way I feel when you're next to me, girl? Got the kick in every move and I fought it's like a fool for you, for you. Wish I knew just what it was, but why should I make a fuss? Just stay next to me, girl, next to me, girl. Something special, don't know why, something special that I like about you, about you. There's a mystery entwined, something bigger to define about you, about you.
Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from Cozcreations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 3. Guys, I am glad that you are here. I was so inspired today. I was lucky enough, I had a quiet moment and I got an alert that darling Jessica from Winterstrom Art was doing a live today, and I've never attended one of her lives, so I jumped right on, and what a sweetheart. She makes me smile from head to toe. She's just as cute as can be. And if any of you don't know Jessica from Winterstrom Art, you need to go visit her. She does some beautiful blooms and bloom transfers. She's very, very talented, and I was lucky enough to get to hang out with her at the last Fluid Art experience in Dallas, Texas, and I am thrilled to see her again this April at the Fluid Art experience in Seattle. Jessica, I love you. But I loved her color combination. And I surely hope that she doesn't mind that I steal it and use it today. We're gonna do like a bloom blowout, I guess. I just watched her and I loved her results. Now, Jessica covered the entire canvas. I'm gonna try real hard to leave some negative space because I'm a negative space kind of girl. And in honor of her, I am using her spinner that she sent me for Christmas. You can tell I've used it once or twice. And it is absolutely wonderful. Jessica makes these by hand. She goes into her little wood shop and she creates these, and they're easy breezy, and she makes them in a bunch of different sizes. So Jessica, I thank you from the bottom of my heart for this, and I thank you for your joy and your love of life and painting. And peeps, if you don't know Jessica Winterstrom Art, please go visit her because she's darling. She makes me smile and laugh. We're working on 12 by 16 gallery wrap canvas today. And this is part of this girl's bloom journey. I haven't been blooming very long. I have a lot to learn, and people like Jessica help answer a lot of questions that I have. Our pillow paint is in this container right here. All that is, guys, is white base PPG Multi-Pro interior house paint, available at Home Depot, don't you know? And it's a good price. It's only like $16 or $17 a gallon, which is wonderful. Now, I did add a little bit of GAC 800 to this. Why? Because I love my GAC. It keeps my paints from cracking, crazing, and I just trust it. So I put a little bit of GAC in my pillow paint. But other than that, straight paint out of the can, PPG Multi-Pro house paint, Home Depot. And our colors are the colors Jessica used, kind of. She used, I think it was Meteorite, which is a TLP pigment, and I was all excited. I'm like, I've got that, but I don't have it here. I have it in Asheville. So I kind of had to make something up, but she used one of my favorite TLPs, which is right there. That is this little piggy, and that is their Hammerhead. I have been in love with this since they released it. It's a glorious, glorious blue. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. Isn't that just scrumptious, guys? Right here we have Golden Fluids in the Paynes Gray. Now I don't know, I don't recall whose Paynes Gray she used. It might have been King of Pain by TLP, but I am not sure. But I love Paynes gray. It looks very dark there, but it's just a super duper rich royal blue. And then she used, I think, Meteorite. I don't have it. So what I did was I took Deco Art Americana Enchanted. This is their ultra black base coat. And guys, it is ultra black every time I use it. It's kind of a matte finish and I absolutely love it. It's very dark black, but those bottles are too darn small, Deco Art. And then I added a few squirts of the golden fluids in the iridescent silver to kind of make a meteorite kind of color. Let's take a look at that. Now our pouring medium today is my Bloom pouring medium. It is a mix of Behr 8300 untinted house paint and JoSonja Gloss Varnish. I've been experimenting with 2 parts Behr to 1 part JoSonja. I've been experimenting with 3 parts Behr to 1 part JoSonja Gloss Varnish, and I honestly don't remember which one I used. I believe my paints are pretty thick, so I think it's 3 parts Behr 8300 to 1 part JoSonja Gloss Varnish. I did add a little extra JoSonja Gloss Varnish to my one of these paints because it was thicker than the rest. So I'm going to get my blow dryer out. I'm going to put my pillow paint down. I'm going to do some gentle, easy, breezy spinning on Sweet Jessica's spinner. And we're going to continue with this girl's bloom journey. I'm awful glad that you guys are part of it. Let's go ahead, put some tunes on. Let's get busy.
Spinning like a broken record. For a player, you don't know that many major chords. We hang out and then you get bored, and you leave me here like I'm your landlord. You come back and say I'm sorry, boo, and I know you never mean it, gets you in though. Did you call me cause you had to? Cause you know I'd throw your suitcase out the window. I don't need you here to feel good. No, I'm not angry, I got better things to do. Tell your friends I will be just fine. Don't need no therapist, there's nothing like wine. So you're burning with desire. So full of self-confidence, and everything you said made a lot of sense. I thought I was too cold to ever love again, but every single word cut through the rain. We see the distance grow, I just need to know, do you even feel the same? I'm living in your messages, I'm closer to you there I guess. Living in your messages, every day now I confess. Light up any room without going in. Funny how just a few letters in a row can turn into a smile, and now you can't let go. Oh, oh. We see the distance grow, I just need to know, do you even feel the same? I'm living in your messages, I'm closer to you there I guess. Living in your messages, every day now I confess.
Spinning like a broken record. For a player, you don't know that many major chords. We hang out and then you get bored, and you leave me here like I'm your landlord. You come back and say I'm sorry, boo, and I know you never mean it, gets you in though. Did you call me cause you had to? Cause you know I'd throw your suitcase out the window. I don't need you here to feel good. No, I'm not angry, I got better things to do. Tell your friends I will be just fine. Don't need no therapist, there's nothing like wine.